Hey everybody, this is Royce here with Gauge 3 Designs, and I am back with another episode. So I have this building, I'll just call it a public building, that I designed in Revit 2019. I exported and imported into SketchUp Pro 2018. So now we're left with a blank canvas to apply Thea Render 2.0 materials. So I'm thinking of doing a mixture of the base as a concrete block. And top here, it has reveals going through the facade and also on the sides, but we're just going to do this rendering. But that's going to be brick, and all of this is going to be brick. Everything's going to be brick, and it's going to be topped off with concrete also. So let's go ahead and get started and start adding some Thea Render 2.0 materials. Yeah, let's go ahead and start with this base here. So like I said, I want the base to be concrete block. And if we go into, we can just maybe the concrete. No, not in there, but I know for sure I have it in two places. But let's go to online repository, um, wall, and you have a wall stone block here. Let's go ahead and go with that and just apply it just like this. Alright, now on top of that I want to add a brick. I'm not too sure which brick I'm going to use, but we'll just go and see what we have. This is one of my favorite bricks, but let's do something like old brown bricks. Um, the red dark brick looks pretty good too. Let's try the red dark brick. And if I don't like this, I'll just choose another brick. For the reveal, I'm going to go ahead and do a concrete. So a lot of stuff I see it in my head, but just like in architecture school, you just have to go out and either build a model, whether that's in SketchUp or hand model, and just to see how things are going to look. And things are always changing when it comes to architecture, when it comes to design. Um, you just want to try different things out. But yeah, I'm liking this a lot better. Okay, it looks like we have some spots we still need to hit. Whoops. Just go ahead and hit this here. All of this for sure is gonna be brick. Alright, go back to our scene here. Let's go ahead and top this off with concrete. Okay. Whoops. Don't know what happened there, but we don't want that. Alright, so now that we have our brick and our concrete, I'm gonna go ahead and do a render. I just want to see how this brick looks and if I like it in render. So let's just go ahead and go here. Okay, let me see here. I might adjust the time to turn the sun down a little bit. I actually like this brick. I actually like the brick. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in and we need to hit these windows, add some tint, transparency. I might do it like a dark glass. Also on these doors, this door here, and go ahead and hit those, and then we'll go ahead and start adding the street and the landscape and the median and everything. So let's go ahead and do this. We'll just go ahead and delete. And what is that? See something? All right. We should just be able to add a line. Just add it right here. All right, and we're gonna add transparent glass. No, I want to add a tint. Maybe this dark one here. All right. All right, now let's see how these windows look in a render. Nice. Nice, okay. So let's go ahead and add some trim. Let's save this animation so we can keep that time. So if I do one, it should change them all. Yep, so I want to go dark, so let's see, metal. Let's do like a metal, yeah. Since the scene is kind of below. Alright. And then we'll add those here too. Whoops. Actually, yeah, that is what I want. Alright, let's just go ahead and start fixing this street level. So I'm going to drop these medians. They weren't touching the ground. That's fine. And for this, oh, I have these hydrants here. Go ahead and add some texture to the hydrant. I'm just going to do a yellow paint. So in your online repository, we'll just go down to paint. There should be a yellow in here, but I'm hoping it's not too bright. Basic yellow. Alright, back to the street. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some material for the sidewalk. I think I'm gonna do this one different than what the public sidewalk would be. So I know I like this floor. Okay, we got some stuff here. Yeah, something like this is nice. Yeah, that's nice. No, we're not going to worry about that side. And let's go to materials, exterior pavements, and I'm going to use this here. And I want to make a crosswalk here because I'm thinking about adding some 3D people to liven up the area, show it in use. And what I'll do here is now go ahead and center these. These came in wrong. So what I'll do here, alright, so we're only going to see about this much. I'll just paint this a different color. So we're going to use asphalt pavement here, so I'll just go back to online repository, floor, nope, ground, and we'll use this here. Alright, and here I want it to stand out. We could do a white. Let's see what a white looks like. Or it could just be something with more decoration, like this here. Just, so it stands out, that it's clear that, okay, this is a walkway. Usually you'll see a yellow or white thick sign for stopping. Warning, kind of just warning, pedestrians have the right of way. So we'll go ahead and add that. We'll just put white paint there. We can just use SketchUp's paint. Alright, because I'm going to add some trees. I'm going to go ahead and put some green in here. Do the concrete first. Then I'll go back and change that back to the green. Alright, and we got that. Alright, so now that we have this, let's go ahead and do a rendering before I start adding my trees along here. And I might add 3D people. We'll see what we got going, but let's go ahead and do a render. Nice, 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 nice. I'll go ahead and add a texture to this manhole I forgot about. But I think the fire hydrant looks nice. It looks like I missed some trim here. I'll go back and add that. We'll hit the manhole, then I'll add some trees, and then we'll do a final rendering. And that looks like I missed texture here too. So we'll go ahead and touch up this drawing and we'll do a final rendering and we'll be done. All right, now, so since we have our trees in, we went ahead and touched up the trim. We have all our materials. Let's see what rendering we got here. So nice, nice, nice. I really like this. I really like this, and I think to top it off, adding 3D people would be good, or at least some cars. So I might add a car too, driving by. So hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it informative. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks.